All aboard. The rain train tracks have been laid down around central Indiana, and it's going to be heavy at times over the next 48 hours. I'm 13 weather meteorologist Sean Ash. This is Tuesday, March 3rd. Warm front pretty much stalled out along the I-70 corridor. A flood watch is in effect into Wednesday morning, and we're going to have rounds of rainfall, especially along into the Ohio River here. You'll see future track 13. Some of this rainfall is going to come heavy at times, and that will up the ante of some localized flooding. We'll have additional rain, possibly some severe thunderstorms over the southern part of the state on Wednesday. And we've got another big batch coming at us to start Thursday morning and going into Saturday. When it's all said and done, a widespread 3 to 5 looks likely over central and southern Indiana. Stay weather aware, and we will keep you updated.